In this video, we will discuss how to use continue and break keyword. Okay, so when you use continue keyword, on that time, your loop will be skipped only one time. Only one iteration will be skipped. Continue statement is mostly used inside loops, right? So whenever it is encountered inside the loop, control directly jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration, skipping the remaining part. Now we have our condition in the loop. If the condition is true, it will come to the loop. Then we can use continue keyword with the if condition. Mostly we are using with the if condition. If the condition is true, then after we are going to place the continue keyword. Then after it will jump from here and again it will come to condition. Otherwise it will execute remaining pass. But whenever it made continue keyword, it is going to skip remaining part. So we'll do one example. So here you can see we have a class with the name break continue. You can use any class for the name. That's fine, right? No need to use the same name, but it should be same as your file name. Now I'm going to create a loop. Before that, we will give a number, integer number is equal to 10. Then while number greater than 0, I'm going to print system.out.println number is equal to plus num. Right, so we are going to place a condition that may increment or decrement num minus for this, and otherwise this will be infinite loop. Now it will print from 10 to 0, right? No issue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use continue keyword to skip one iteration. I'm going to use continue keyword. It will skip one iteration. So we'll place this condition here. Right, first I'm going to do the num minus, then after I'm going to print the value. And here I'm going to add the continue keyword. So for that we will check if condition, if number is equal to 5, on that time we are going to add continue keyword. Now if you check the output, you can see 9, 8, 7, 6, but 5 is skipped, right? 6 and 4. Because whenever number is equal to 5, on that time we are calling continue keyword. It will skip the remaining part and it will pass the control into the beginning of the loop. Then after again num minus, that means number will be 4. After that it will execute without any issue. Right, so inside if condition you can pass your continue keyword like this, right? That means without using any bracket when you have only one statement. But if you are when you going to place more than one statement, then definitely you have to surround that one using a bracket. So this is how continue keyword is work. Now I am going to use a break keyword, right? So we'll use another loop, integer second num is equal to 5. Again I'm going to use the same loop while second num greater than 0. I'm going to print this num system.out.println second num is equal to right. So here we will increase this one, decrease, right? Second num minus. Let's compile this one. It will print second num 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put if condition, if second num is equal to 3, on that time I'm going to add break keyword. You can see whenever it made second num is equal to 3 condition, on that time it is going to terminate the loop, right? When it comes to break keyword, it is going to terminate the loop. So we have break statement and use break statement to come out of loop instantly. Whenever this condition is true, on that time it will terminate the loop. It will exit from the loop. Whenever a break statement is encountered inside the loop, the control directly comes out of loop and the loop gets terminated for rest of the iteration. It is used along with the if condition. Both are used with the if condition, right? Most of time. So this is how we use continue keyword. Then after this is how we use break keyword. So break keyword will terminate the loop. Continue keyword will skip loop one time. So we'll meet with the new video. If you have any question, you can comment down.